Hey guys, we are getting some concerns from the field, from the servicing field, that whatever PCBs boards we are sending from the stores is not suiting or not matching, or there are some errors in the boards. The major concern what we observed is they are not matching the PCBs. Whether it is a control board or whether it is a motherboard, this coding should match. If you see here, you can see that PG is mentioned here. Similarly, the PG mentioned on the motherboard. Both the PGs should match. Both the numbering should match. If it is not matching, this board will not work. In the either way, you may find a board with BJ. Similarly, if you find BJ motherboard, BJ control panel has to come. Then only it will match. Thank you. In case of any assistance, please call on 6364 914 202. Thank you for being our valuable customer.